Welcome back. Now, it's going to be difficult for you to keep your site fully secure from hackers and other individuals wishing to do harm to what you are doing on the site. However, there are some plugins that you can use that will help you that are inexpensive or free and easy to install. We're going to go to our plugins area and click Add New. And what we're going to do here is we're going to type in Wordfence. And you're going to see WordPress Security, Firewall, and Malware Scan. And when you do that, you're going to see other plugins available. Now, if you'd like to use other plugins instead of Wordfence, again, just make sure that you verify that those plugins are safe. And even Wordfence, you want to make sure it's going to be safe for all the other plugins you are going to be using. That being said, what we're going to do here is click Install. And once Wordfence has been installed, we're going to activate. You're going to give Wordfence some contact information, and you're going to give them this contact information because you will get alerts in your email box about attacks against your website. And we're going to click Continue. Now, for the sake of this video, we are not going to be upgrading to premium, so we're going to click No Thanks. When you go to the dashboard, one of the things you can choose to do is you can choose to have Wordfence to auto-update. Again, you're going to want to verify this is going to be safe for use with all of the plugins that you're going to have on your site, and if this is something that you want to do. And for the sake of this video, we are going to enable auto update. What we're also going to do is we're going to take a minute in order to do some configuration of Wordfence. You are going to want to configure for the basic web application firewall, and you want to enable this area. Ours is now enabled. And Wordfence will start the process of learning the potential threats for your site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WP Learning 101.com and start mastering WordPress today.